everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be watching a listed episode of mine. This was kind of in Lost Files, and I don't know why we didn't ever put this out, but I'm gonna watch it with you guys and we're gonna see why. So let's watch it, let's get into this, and let's see what it's talking about. All right, y'all, let's cut to the chase and go ahead and get started this episode. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this. So welcome back to today's video. I am going to be showing you guys this beautiful home. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in Frisco, Texas. So let's go ahead and get started. Come on. Okay, so upon your entry into this home, you are going to go ahead and see 2 bedrooms to your right and to your left. First, okay, I was really cute on this day. I'm really liking the pink eyeshadow and come through natural hair. It's grown out a little bit more since then, but I was looking cute. I was on my professional stuff, got the blazer going. You better show this house. Yes, ma'am. Thing is going to be this almost study area slash bedroom. It counts as a bedroom, but it could definitely be converted into a study space. Okay. So I probably didn't know what to say at first. Like, I originally do a walkthrough of the house whenever I get ready to shoot, but for some reason today there were no words to describe this office. This was definitely one of my first listed episodes, so you know, I had a tough time really describing some of these houses. I should have looked up some words to kind of describe a beautiful home, but you know, it was the first one, so this is kind of like a rough draft of the rough draft. So I'll definitely say that that's gotten a little bit better over time, but at least I was looking cute. As well as the open closet. You'll see there is plenty of room in this closet, okay? Not much to see here, so let's head into the next room. So across the foyer, you are going to see your guest bathroom over here. That is for both bedrooms here, as well as another lovely guest bedroom. So you want to get your sleep on, you can do that here as well. All right, now let's head to the real stuff. So as you exit the foyer in the area with the 2 bedrooms and bathroom, you come into this beautiful open concept area with your living room space, as well as your kitchen and dining room space. The living room space is carpeted and the rest of the area is tile, so it gives you a little bit of a warm and comfort feel in this room and area, as well as your dining and your kitchen. Your kitchen has it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so a lot of times you guys hear me talk about my mentor, Hander. That is actually Hander in the video. This was an open house that I hosted with him one Saturday, and we decided to shoot a listed episode afterwards. So he was just kind of there hanging out while we shot, and he had a nice little feature in the video. So shout out to you, Hander. Now you guys know who he is. Can we start again? I just need to make sure I know what the countertops are called again. It's
let's just start.
Mica?
Faux mica?
Faux mica? Faux mica, okay. Hander's trying to teach me the different parts of the home, like the windows and stuff, so I can learn. Faux mica. It's faux mica, right? Or fur mica?
I think we said faux mica could be faux mica.
I'm just gonna slightly say like faux mica. Countertops. They're into the kitchen space. You also notice that these countertops are faux mica. They are not granite, but they are in super great condition, as well as your tile backsplash and all of your appliances. So I mean, it's a really good deal, guys. Make sure you get onto it. You have the washer, the dryer, and the fridge are negotiable. They're excluded, but you can negotiate that in your sale. And as you head to the back, you see your lovely primary suite. So this is a lot of space for whomever will be staying in this area. And you also have your attached primary bathroom. So come along and see. So I love this because you have your double sink vanity, as well as your walk-in shower and your decent sized tub. I mean, come on, you're getting a lot in this. So I mean, it's a lot. You also have a closet and you have your toilet and bathroom that's private. So if you're gonna, you know, do your business, you could do it privately. I like that. So let's head on into the back of the house. I come in like that. Why did I come in so strong? You know, sometimes we catch some really good moments on camera. We might not put all of them in the video, but just know, y'all, I feel like we are hilarious. We crack ourselves up all the time. So I came around the corner a little strong. Okay, let me start one more time. I was asking Hinder about the. Okay, I got you.
Action!
So I almost forgot. We also have an outdoor space to this home. It's cute, it's quiet, it's nice. You know, you could even have a dog, maybe a kid running up and down. So I mean, we have 2 exits, one in the front of the home and one in the back. This home does feature a garage, and that garage is in the alley, which is in the back. It's a thing in Texas, so if you know, you know. If you don't, now you do. I hope you guys enjoyed. And really, you guys are getting a great deal here. This home is going for $425,000, and it will be on the market. So make sure you guys talk to your local agent, and if you don't have one, shout out to me because I can help. So make sure you guys reach out to me if you have any questions. For people who do not know what to do, what is your next step? The first step would be to get in contact with an agent. That is very important because they're going to be the people who are going to basically tell you what you need to do next, including helping you get a lender. So if you do not have what you think you need for this home, you can talk to a lender and we can work on getting you approved to buy a home such as this one. So make sure you guys get in touch with me. My information will be below in the video, so make sure you check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and tap that subscribe button, as well as reach out to me if you're looking to purchase a home or sell, because I do that too. I love y'all so much, and I will see you next time. Oh my gosh, yay! I like this episode. It was quick, to the point. You guys got the chance to see the listing, which was also a very beautiful home. And then on top of that, you also got to see an agent walking through it, kind of what it's like to go and see a home with me whenever I'm showing a house. So I like this episode, and I honestly don't know why we didn't put it out. There's a few funny moments, and there's definitely some things that, you know, you could tell it was my first time, but you know what, now we're veterans in this, and we're just getting better and better, okay? So, yeah, this video was a very good video. I liked it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this type of content, be sure to give us a thumbs up because, guys, we're looking to do more like this. So if you liked it, thumbs up, and then also tap that subscribe button because we're always doing fun things here, whether that's real estate, beauty, whatever you want to see, you name it, and you got it. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time, and until then, bye.
Action.
Okay. All right. There could be movers. Okay. All right.
Go.
Stop.
God damn.
Stop it for a second. Let me just get this out. Okay. All right, I'm ready.